Hey everyone, Joe here, Midwest Fire, and I'm going to take a second to give you a walk around of our stock brush truck. So this is one of our stock brush trucks. It's a Ford F550 chassis, and I just wanted to take a little time and run around some of the features that are on this one. This one's actually sold. It does have a couple additional options on it, but I'll walk you through there. Starting off at the front, this is the Thunderstruck front end replacement bumper. Very, very robust. We love our Thunderstruck bumpers. Very durable. We've had very, very good luck with them, and like I said, yeah, they're tough, so that works pretty good. This is on the front of this one, we have the Elkhart Brush Hawk. This does have an adjustable gallonage nozzle on here, so you can actually change your gallons per minute coming out of that. I believe it's from 15 all the way up to 200 gallons a minute, which gives you a great flexibility. This is a 400-gallon truck, and so that gives you a wide range of times. The tires on this are the Founders AT tires. This is a 37-inch tall tire. We found that these balance very well. They ride really well, much quieter than some of the other options on the market. And then you'll see there's lots of sipes cut into the tire as well. So you think about like your pack snow, your ice traction is going to be very good on there as well. We do a little bit of a fender extension there just to kind of keep that coverage, keep everything tucked and nice, and keep the truck clean, throwing mud up. Moving to the inside. On the 550s, we do the center console. There is your control for the Brush Hawk monitor. This particular truck, the lights and sirens are controlled from this wheeling control head. We do also have an option to run it from the overhead console if you would like. This is the way we decided to do this one. Moving to the body, this is an aluminum body. You've got a total of 4 compartments on each side. So you've got your transverse compartment, your lower overwheel, and then your rear compartment. This like I said, this one is transverse, so that does go all the way through. Pretty nice amount of storage there. So long handle tools, things like that. We can also put slide outs or slide out extensions in here, which is a pretty common option for that particular compartment. Nice and big. Good stuff. Kuzmal, that's a manual eject on that one. You can also do an auto eject if you're so inclined. On the lifted trucks, we do also do the Zyco pull-out steps. Just kind of helps reach in the back part of that compartment. Up top, you do have 2 dunnage boxes. Once again, long-handled stuff, extra hoses. You can put hard suction up there, kind of whatever you feel is going to be a good fit. We can do that. We do have a couple different configurations. If you did want to pre-connect one of those, you can do that. For the hose reels, we've got 2 Hannay hose reels. Most stock trucks, when we spec them, they'll come with a single, kind of leave you some space on one side if you wanted to throw a cooler or some of your drip torches, stuff like that. This department wanted the 2 hose reels, so they got it. On the back of the truck here, this is actually I believe this is a Darley. Yeah, that's a Darley 2BE18V pump. 18 horse Briggs & Stratton pump. It does have an exhaust primer on it, so it can pull prime. We've got the gated tank to pump, not gated 2.5-inch intake, and then there are all your discharges for your hose reels, and then 2 1 3/4 discharges on the rear. And then curbside, pretty much the same as the street side here. So this is a fairly common setup. I did forget to talk about the spare tire up top. We do also offer that with this lift kit, so that if you do have a tire go down, you do have a spare there for you. This truck also does have a foam tank. I don't think I pointed that out. So if you wanted to run a foam system, you don't necessarily have to. This is the foam mate around the pump system. So that's gives you foam to every single discharge. And your tank to pump, don't do that. If you're looking for a brush truck and there is features on here that you felt would be a good fit for you, we do customize these quite a bit. As of right now, I think we've got maybe one of these left. Other than that, we've got some custom builds coming up here too. So if you're questions about brush trucks or curious about prices, reach out, give us a call. We're happy to help.